Power tools and storage gear can make or break your DIY game, so picking the right brands and setup is key to working smarter, not harder. If you're just starting to buy your own tools, Dewalt is a solid bet for power tools. They're reliable and that yellow color really stands out, so you don't lose your stuff easily. For storage, Milwaukee's Packout system looks slick and is super modular, but it's kind of pricey and maybe overkill unless you're hauling your tools around all the time. Masterforce hand tools come with a lifetime warranty, which is clutch if you want something that lasts without breaking the bank. Honestly, if you're not a contractor moving tools between sites every day, you might want to save some cash by skipping the Milwaukee Packout and instead build a simple plywood box to store your power tools. It's way cheaper and gets the job done. Also, think about how often you actually need to load your tools into a truck. If it's rare, a traditional rolling tool chest or Husky Build Out boxes might be better since they cost less and still keep everything organized. Don't forget about things like pegboards and hooks. They're inexpensive and make it way easier to grab what you need quickly instead of hunting around. And if you want to save even more, brands like Ryobi offer decent power for DIY projects without the contractor price tag. One of the biggest mistakes people make when picking power tools and storage is going for expensive systems like Milwaukee Packout without really needing that kind of portability. This ends up being a waste of money and space. The fix? Figure out how mobile your tool setup really needs to be before spending big. Another common issue is buying cheap hand tools that don't last, which means replacing them more often and spending more over time. Going for brands with warranties like Masterforce helps avoid that headache. Lastly, people often forget about organization and end up with cluttered workspaces where tools get lost or damaged. Using pegboards, hooks, or proper tool chests keeps everything tidy and easy to find. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to hire. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with homeowners looking for reliable pros, making projects smoother for everyone.